Okay, have a seat first. Don't blank to the captain. Can you sit?
Okay.
Labas.
Okay, everybody. So, welcome to our second stop. This is the back. So, from here, this is still high tide and the tunnel is still closed. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go around, go into the second lagoon by using our kayak.
I can fit. See the little. Can you see down here in the water, girls? There's a big rock.
Oh, lots of fish!
Yeah.
Where's the GoPro, Bobby?